एक न्यूज इज वायरल इन सोशल साइट दैट ए स्टेट बैंक मैनेजर वुमेन आज was speaking in Hindi, and customer was saying that you should speak in Kannada, and this become a quarrel, and the bank has just transferred the woman manager. I said, I advised, I advise all Hindi speaking person that where you do service in non-Hindi speaking, please learn that language, local language. If you are servicing in Karnataka, learn Kannada. If you are servicing, doing service in Bengal, learn Bengali. If you are doing service in Tamil Nadu, learn Tamil. If you are doing service in Kerala, learn Malayalam. If you are doing service in Maharashtra, learn Marathi. Do not say that we speak Hindi, that Hindi is national language. This anti-Hindi, anti-national, and 0.5% in India are using language to destroy India. They are using language a tool to against Hinduism, against BJP. See in Tamil Nadu, Stalin using Tamil to defeat BJP, was uniting persons in name of Tamil. In Kerala, they said that they not know our language. Why we give them vote? In Bengal, Mamata Banerjee said we do not operate from Delhi. Using Bengali as a tool to defeat BJP. In Maratha, they can use Marathi language as tool to against BJP. In Karnataka they can use language Kannada as a tool to oppose BJP. Defeat of BJP is defeat of Hindutva. So I appeal all Hindi speaking persons to where they service, learn that state language. If you service in Karnataka, learn Kannada. If you do service in Bengal, learn Bengali. If you do service Tamil Nadu, learn Tamil. If you do service Kerala, learn Malayalam. If you do service in Maharashtra, learn Maratha. Respect all language. Do not say the Hindi is national language. We speak English, but also respect all the other language. And where we say, we are, when you say speak in Kannada, speak Tamil, please say, please I am learning Kannada or Tamil or Malayalam or Marathi. When I will train, I will speak. I respect your language, and I will try to speak in your language. Otherwise, anti-national forces will destroy our nation. They will oppose our Hinduism.